Hi everyone, it's Alan from Elan Tech Law, coming to you from my walk-in closet turned into a office here at the cottage, which we're very blessed to be able to come to. Some of my clients are busier than they were pre-COVID-19, and so trying to help those clients as much as they need help from me during this time. Some of my clients are less busy, and so I've been talking to some of those clients, the less busy ones, about a few things that they can do in their business from a legal perspective or related to legal issues that will help set them up for when we come out of this. So 3 areas. One, corporate. Are your minute books in order? Do you have resolutions to document what you've been agreeing on amongst your shareholders? Do you have a good minute book that you could present to an investor or an acquirer that they will have confidence in? You're going to have to do that at some point. If you're not busy, you might as well do it now. So that's one on the corporate side. Two, on the IP side, two things you might want to think about. One is an overall IP audit. Do you have a sense of your patents, your copyright, your trademarks, your use of open source, your licenses in and out that you need to build your products and distribute them or sell them? And then the second thing is, are there inventions that have kind of been sitting there? They've been developed or you're thinking about developing them, but you haven't had time to paper them, document them, file for patent applications, etc. It doesn't have to be expensive, right? You might just want to put together a brainstorming session or two with your technology team, write them down, and consider if you even want to file some provisional patents on your own. Very low cost, and there are ways to sort of do that effectively. So those are the two ideas on the IP side. And then on the contract, sort of commercial contract side, what are you selling more of now? What do you expect to sell more of coming out of this pandemic? Whatever that is, if you don't have your contract framework, your template agreements or your approach, if it's quotes followed by invoices with, purchase order terms, whatever the approach is, take the time now to get those things ready so that when you come out of this and you start selling more of these things, you'll be able to say to the customer, hey, here's the contract. We're ready to go. You don't have to say, well, in 2 weeks, we'll have this contract ready for you to look at. Give it some thought now and be ready to go right out of the gate. So 3 areas: corporate, IP, and contracts. There's still lots that you can do to get yourself and your business ready to hit the ground running when we come out of this. Hopefully those are helpful, and stay safe, everyone.